Like, I introduced my girlfriend to my Gran. How wonderfully rude is this, right? My Gran is 99. Honestly, she's 100 on the 2nd of October coming up. She's a proper old person, you know what I mean? She's miserable. Borderline racist. And now, my girlfriend's Slovakian. Her name's Katka. So I thought, right, foreign name, racist Gran. This will be a laugh. I said, you right, Gran? This is my girlfriend, Katka. And she just done this. She went, what? I said, this is Katka. And when she said this, it was wonderful. She went, no. How beautifully rude is that? As if to say, I'll be making no attempt to pronounce that. All right, should I just ignore her? That'd be easier, wouldn't it?